Ignore everybody around me. That's what I'm gonna do.
Has McAllen ever seen a photographer?
They say what they're gonna say. No, the thing is, I've been spoiled, but I'm humbled.
Why does it make any sense? You will never guess where we are.
You'll never guess.
You'll never guess.
We're in
La Playa, aka SPI, aka South Padre Island. The drive isn't bad.
It's not that bad.
Honestly, it went by
lickety split.
Yeah, I was like this the whole time.
We're going to the beach!
Yeah.
So grew up like about an hour and a half away from here, and it's just so cool. I've never been to a beach in the winter, and it's just like a lovely experience.
It's fucking cold.
It's pretty cold, but it feels really good. So yeah, we're gonna go get some brekkie right now.
Do you want to have coffee at the cafe, or do you want to go to a separate coffee place? Or honestly, I'll buy us coffee somewhere else too.
I just want to watch it right now. Yeah, like we're in Galveston and like doing the Galveston vlogs.
I can take you to the sea turtles.
Oh,
there's a little sea turtle resort.
Are they awake right now? We're gonna eat because we're starving. Okay. Starving. Hi.
Hi.
We just ate brekkie, which was 10 out of 10, honestly. What do you rate it, Sophia?
I can't breathe. That's how good it was.
That was at Grapevine Cafe. And now we went to another cafe called Cafe Karma. I got me a matcha, which might really be the only matcha in this city, but it's fine.
I got a frap, no judge. It has coffee in it, I made sure.
It looks really good. And now we're going to another fucking cafe
called Karma Books.
And then I think we might go back to the beach for a little bit and read. Does that sound good to you? Slay. I'm having so much fun right now. Oh, that is my search history. Howdy! We just got back from reading for probably like an hour. I don't know how long we were reading, but it was incredible. I love it here. This just feels so good, and like I just want to live here so bad. Ignore everybody around me. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm reading Mary Jane by someone. I don't actually know. Such a vibe right now. Oh, fuck. I don't know what we're gonna do for lunch. I don't know what we're gonna do for dinner. We're just kind of vibing today. Sophia's pissing. I'm gonna have a heat stroke in this car. Okay, I'll give you an update at home. Everything feels so good right now. I'll talk to y'all whenever we're in McAllen. Okay, bye.
Hi, baby. Hi. You don't like me very much. That's okay.
I'm fucking exhausted. But we're downtown McAllen, which is really pretty. It reminds me of Denton, but with palm trees. Ever since we got back from the beach, we literally just chilled.
It felt good.
It felt really good, and I kind of wish it never ended.
Little does Kili know, I'm about to trick him into thinking he wants a matcha.
I forgot my wallet.
You don't have to pay.
Yeah.
It's obvious this kid's never been spoiled before.
No, the thing is, I've been spoiled, but I'm humbled.
Why does it make any sense?
I'm humble, and I don't want to be spoiled. And I'm just a simple guy who doesn't want people paying for me. I'm terrified to be alive. Anyway, time check.
5:23.
I'm even nervous to bring my camera out. Has McAllen ever seen a photographer? Okay, we're gonna go explore. I don't know how much I'll film, but
Boy, boy.
boy.
Daydream. I fell asleep beneath the flowers. For a couple of hours. On a beautiful day. Daydream. I dream of you amid the flowers. For a couple of hours. It's a spy from behind my giant robot's eyes. I keep him happy cause I might fall out if he cries. Scared of heights so I might pass out if he flies. Keep him on autopilot cause I can't drive. Room enough for one, I tell my homies they can't ride. Unless me sitting on the shoulders, but that's way too high. Let's try not to step on the children. The news cameras film.
As you can tell, I just took a shower. It was lovely. I didn't film anything. There was really nothing to film. I know, we just had dinner and then now we're back here. I kind of really want to finish my book. I only have 100 more pages left right now.
I don't miss Denton. I miss a bed.
I do miss our bed. That's all I miss. But that's really all we do. Lay in the bed and play with the dog.
And then we're gonna do that, and then once we do it, we're gonna be like,
I miss this. Good night. Even though I'm gonna keep filming, but good night because I won't be talking. Okay.
Oh my god, that was so good. I don't know, if you're gonna read it in the summer. But the ending was honestly really sweet. Oh my god, I'm like relieved and sad that I finished it. Okay, I'm fucking tired. Good night.
If you're watching this and you know Kili Logan, check her out.
She eats a lot of sweets, so unless you want to go to a bakery and eat like a cake or something.
I'm good. Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna go.